Hello friends, and welcome back to Miss Jessica's Art Club. My name is Miss Jessica and I am so excited you're here with me today. I have a really exciting project for y'all today. It's something that I've never tried myself, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We will need paper, liquid glue, salt, and watercolor paint. So let's get started.
Alright y'all, so here's my regular old liquid glue and table salt. I am just going to go in straight from the bottle and start creating some mountain tops. I'm starting with the background because then we will move on to the middle ground and add some other things. This line here is going to distinguish that middle ground. And I just felt really comfortable with this bottle of glue and I went straight to work. You could always pour some out into a little dish and use a paintbrush too. That would work. All the same, but it was nice to be able to just freestyle it. So I'm just adding some bushes here and some cute little pine trees. And for this next part with the salt, there are many ways that you can do this. I first started by just shaking it right out from the container, and that kind of worked, but we needed a little more salt on there. So tried dumping it in my hands, and that was cool. It's very tactile. I think it'll be a good sensory experience for little ones and just fun for anyone to do. It comes out looking super cool and you get to shake it around. You'll have some cleanup, but that is all well and good here. We love a good mess. So, yep, salt was everywhere. And now once you're happy with it and you have good coverage, you can leave it to dry. So I waited till the next day so that these were really hardened up and dried up. And you can use any kind of watercolor paint that you have around. It is super important that your brush is really, really wet. And it really just flows through this salt. It is so cool to watch. I am using a smaller brush here. In retrospect, I probably could have used a bigger, fluffier one. So if you have those types of brushes at home, that will work maybe a little better than the smaller brush I was using here. And once again, it is important to keep that brush super wet.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this project as much as I did. My favorite part was watching the watercolor paint move through the salt. It was so mesmerizing. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this project was. And as always, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you love Miss Jessica's Art Club. Bye friends, see you next time.